And now, your Precision 18 forecast. News 18. Weather from where you live.
We are still tracking a few isolated rain showers across the viewing area now for Tippecanoe County, staying mainly dry. Just one off to across the eastern part of Tippecanoe County as of now. As we look further off to the west, though, some heavier rainfall, maybe even a few thunderstorms lingering. You see the heaviest of the rain moving to the north of us at this point. We're not going to have to worry about that, but notice that system of rain pushing off towards Peoria, towards Springfield. Scattered showers and even a few thunderstorms mixed in with that line that will all drag further towards the northeast throughout the remainder of the morning, eventually making it to our region. But for now, we stay mainly dry with the exception of Newton, Jasper, Pulaski, as well as White counties. That's all dragging towards the northeast at this point. The good news is we're not looking at a ton of precipitation today, though. The next 4 days combined, we could be looking at anywhere between 2 to maybe even as much as 3 inches of rain as we get into Thursday afternoon. Here's that satellite radar image over the last 12 hours looping. You can see that line of rain staying pretty much moving east at this point while the main system pushes towards the northeast. We're going to see this warm front drag across the rest of the viewing area, the northern counties, over the next hour or so. And as we get into the latter part of the morning, that's when that secondary line of rain will push across the viewing area. Notice to the west, though, drier, clearer air. That's going to filter in after the passage of this low pressure system, though. Don't be surprised if you see a few pop-up showers, maybe a thunderstorm later this evening as your evening commute gets underway. Temperatures this morning sitting pretty mild, 56 degrees currently. Winds are from the southeast, right around 9 miles per hour. Southerly winds once again keeping things a little bit warmer. Temperatures will actually be slightly cooler this afternoon than we saw yesterday. It's all because of that moisture. Temperatures are expected to reach the upper 60s across the viewing area. Notice that line of rain pushing across the viewing area over the next 12 hours, though. That chance of light rain pops up just as your evening commute gets underway. Overnight tonight, maybe a few isolated showers, but we stay mainly dry before another chance of some rain moves in for tomorrow. Frontal boundary sitting right over the region by tomorrow morning. 69 degrees will be your high temperature later today. Another chance of showers this morning. Winds, check them out, gusting as high as 30 miles per hour later this afternoon from the south, keeping overnight low temperatures mild once again. 58 your overnight low for Lafayette will drop to 58 as well in Romney, right around 53 in Frankfort overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. As another frontal system drags across the viewing area, more scattered rain, isolated showers, maybe a couple thunderstorms once again, though it looks like the heaviest rain will arrive for Wednesday into Thursday. Notice our third low, the third of 3 low pressure systems that will be moving across the Midwest over the next few days here. This low will drag to the north of us, bringing scattered showers through Wednesday, maybe some thunderstorms, plenty of convective activity. That means a lot of lift in the atmosphere, driving moisture up into the upper atmosphere. That is perfect for thunderstorm development. We'll hit 71 degrees this afternoon and continue to see temperatures, or tomorrow afternoon I should say, and continue to see temperatures well above average. We'll hit 70 degrees on Wednesday. Thursday, only getting up to around 63. Now the best chance for severe weather will be during Wednesday evening into Thursday morning. A lot of convective activity, but on top of that, guys, that upper level jet pulling more moisture into the atmosphere, and that is something we are going to need to keep our eyes on as we get into the midweek, into the latter part of your work week. The good news is, though, we clear out and dry out for the weekend, looking slightly cooler, though, with highs right around the upper 40s and low 50s for Friday and Saturday.
Well, that rain will certainly help continue to green everything up, although I feel like the grass just turned green like that this weekend.
It really did, you know.
It really got to be spring.
I left town this weekend and I came back and it was a completely different image. And, you know, it's really going to continue to get even greener here over the next few days, especially with all this rain.
All right, thanks, Cameron.
Yeah.